Okay, good morning, everyone. So my husband this morning went duck hunting and he caught a teal, beautiful teal, female duck, and it's mallard. But I'm gonna process that, and I'm gonna do how like what we would do back home in the Philippines. Honestly, it's like not even a procedure to think about. It's just like basic shit. Okay, so a lot of people when they do hunting, they only want the good parts, and I'm like, that's a lot of waste. So I'm gonna make sure the bird is properly respected. My eye is twitching for this because I'm not prepared for winter. I'm not at all. I'm not prepared for the season. I don't know what it is, but I feel like this summer was extremely short. Maybe because of the fires going on all around us, but like, damn, man, I feel like, okay, up here in the mountains, the winter is savagely long. Like, damn. I was talking about it with Jake. I'm like, we gotta do something about this. This is not cool. All my life I've been in this type of season. I'm so over it. I literally am. I mean, like, we don't really do anything winter stuff anyway. So I'm here like, dude, what are we doing in a mountain place where we're not doing any physical activities that consists of being in the snow? There's a lot of things to think about, and it's not just something that you just kind of do right away, get up and move right away. It's definitely something to think it through because it's forever, forever, ever, forever, ever. Hi, Bruce. Look at that. Look at that. Are you a winter boy? Are you a winter boy? You wanna come in? Come in. But yeah, it's. You see my kale right there? Anyway, I harvested my Swiss chard right here. It looks choppy, but that's my kale. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love snowboarding, okay? Not so much of a big fan of skiing, only because like I literally smashed my face when I was I think like 14 or 15. We went to some skiing trip up in the Rockies. um was it Blue Mountain or was it Snow Valley? Can't remember. I think it was Snow Valley. I still have a scar right here. And so what ended up happening was, see, this is why they should really like pay attention. These kids need to pay attention. They should have like an area where there's little kids, and then an area where there's, like not expert or whatever, but just like neutral knowledge of snowboarding or whatever they're doing, right? But now, so when I was that age, I was like coming down the hill hot. Mind you, I was skiing. After that, I had to switch because I did not like it. So we were on this field trip. Mind you, it was like perfect day, so crisp. Like the wind, extra crisp. But no, it was so much fun. Okay, it was so much fun. Unfortunately, like I went zoom, 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 Mazda. And mind you, the hill is like about like that. Okay, and then there's like an area where it kind of like slope a little bit, like to stop near the chalet. Anyway, I was going extremely fast, and then all of a sudden, this kid, he looked like he was skiing, but then he sat down. I said, "Look out, look out, look out." Oh my God. I swerved so hard, I was pissed. Right to the fence. Right to the fence. And I was pissed at the fence. I was pissed at the kid. I was pissed because like, man, I'm here doing so good. Yay. Yay. And cause I got my was it Black Diamond little sticker thing to be able to ski and up in the like the higher mountain grounds. That kid, the audacity, like if you're going to sit at the chalet. What is going on? I was so embarrassed. My teacher saw what happened. one of the I guess like the patrollees, right? They were like, "Oh my gosh, are you okay? Are you okay? Hey." I was like, for a couple minutes, I was like unconscious. I was like, ooh. I was like seeing stars. That was the most stupidest moment I have ever experienced, and that's why I don't like skiing no more. I prefer snowboarding. And so that day I freaking went ahead and switched. I was like, let me go again. If we were to have extra cash moolah, then yeah, we would be doing all that. But no, I am so done with winter, guys. I can't even tell you, like, I just want to get out. I swerved so hard on those skis, like I couldn't go any more acute. Okay, I was like, boom, I was gone with the wind, fabulous, and like right on the fence. And I don't know, like it's such a, it was that day when I got a sticker for Black Diamond, it was such an accomplishment, because not only that, I was like, okay, so I haven't done this for a while, because just one of those things, like you just kind of go with the school excursion, the field trip thing. So like you guys go to the, I don't know, like a ski resort or whatever, and everybody's there, all your friends are there, and then it was such a good accomplishment, because like, dude, that day I wanted to be like spontaneous. I'm like, oh, let's try out skis. Like I've done snowboarding, and snowboarding is like an easy process for me, but the skis with the 2 feet, no. No, it wasn't like hard or anything. It was just that kid fucked me up. Yeah, that kid, I don't know where he's at right now in life, but like, pap, pap, I swear. But yeah, no, I don't even understand how there was a fence there, because like it didn't go all the way to the top. So like there's a cutoff, and I don't, yeah, it's like going towards the chalet, there's like a fence. But why would they put a fence there? And just in case anybody like slam their face, I don't know, we could just like land on some freaking bush or something. There wasn't a bush, but anyway, it was just like piled up snow, whatever. Never again. I mean, I don't mind skiing, I just prefer snowboarding, because I'm way better at snowboarding than skiing, I suppose. It was just not good experience that day, you know? And like the fact that I accomplished, hey, Black Diamond, yay, sweet. I don't know. Oh my gosh, just terrible. Okay, this is the duck, you guys. Okay, there it is. There's the duck. Already processed, nice and beautiful. Down. It's very important to put it in the oven. Everything is homemade, from the tortilla to the pickled onion. Homemade duck. Oh my god, this is a restaurant quality. This is my little piece. I'm so excited. Oh my goodness. Well done, mama. Okay. Oh god. How do I... Anyway, like I said, this is homemade tortilla. Wow. I'm pretty shocked. Mamma mia. Super. Mm. Good job. Thanks for bathing her. Little ketchup. Let's put it aside. At the store. Are you guys ready? Anyway, I'm at the store because I needed to get dog food and some other stuff. I got my favorite spot. I literally got my favorite spot and I'm so happy about it because a lot of times when I do come here, this spot is taken. I've never seen this one. This is new. Nail it for mommy. We're done at the grocery store. Now it's time to go home. Time to go home. I'm making Jake's lunch. I already have one right here. It's a chicken sandwich, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the air fryer. Now this is the bottom end. Wow. No, I don't like my burger to have that much sauce in it, otherwise it'll start overflowing. Here's my own. I'm gonna share this with the kids. It's beautiful. Like so, you know, tomato in this because I don't want it to get soggy. Okay, so I pretty much packed some drinks, a banana in there. Yeah, we got a fruit cup here, little Doritos, and then 2 sandwiches. We should be good.